Hello and welcome to Author Visual Hacks, the course which is going to teach you, the author, to create your very own visuals with PowerPoint, meaning you'll be using a familiar tool, which is straightforward to use, which then also means that then you're going to be able to self-publish a lot faster. The reason you're going to be able to self-publish that much quicker is because a critical part of the process of self-publishing is having a really good-looking cover. And up to this point, unless you are a graphics designer yourself, you probably needed to do one of two things. Either go down to a place like Fiverr or talk to some friends of yours who may be designers to create the cover for you. Or you had to wing it by trying to use something like GIMP or Photoshop or Pixlr. The beauty of this particular course is that it's going to teach you some specific hacks so that you can use an everyday productivity tool like PowerPoint to be able to create your visuals from 2D to 3D to promotional materials.